One more final sound check. This is on the Dell Tower using the i7 chip and so forth and so on. We're using the Samson mic to record on. We're using these for the earbud thingies. Right now, I do not have the fan turned on at all. So we're going to listen to a moment of silence and see what the ambient room noise is. That is the ambient room noise. When I turn the fan on, it's a weird switch. When you turn it on, it immediately starts on high and then decreases the further you turn it. Instead of off, low, medium, high, it's off, high, medium, low. It's got to be a Japanese product. Anyway, you've heard the room ambient noise. This is what the fan on high sounds like. Now, I don't know whether you're going to be able to hear that or not. That's what it sounds like with the fan running on high. I will now turn it down to medium. The fan is now down on medium. And again, I can't tell, because it's sitting here blowing right on me, I can't tell exactly what the listening audience is hearing. I do see some slight movement in the microphone going up and down, but very, very slight. So now I'm going to proceed to turn the fan to low, and we'll hear or not hear what we hear or don't hear. Now that is on its lowest setting. I've got a gentle breeze blowing across me. Hopefully y'all don't hear anything, but I won't know until I stop this meeting and then give you all the link to listen, and we'll all listen together. Won't that be fun? Thanks for watching. Thanks for helping. Thanks for your comment. And thank you for being a friend. Talk to you guys later. And gals.